Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Of course or not course.
We're doing a course now?
Okay. Hello and welcome to a new video. What do you call it? What is that called?
Progress report.
I've never watched. Anyway. Hello everybody, my name is Jesse Bourne. This series we're going to call the all-day vlog. So basically I had the idea, I said,
Hold on.
Josh is dropping too many things, so why don't we do this? Why don't we make a new video that gets updated every single hour so that you guys, I basically bring you along in what I'm doing in the shop because I figure that's probably what most of you want to see anyways. Let's take the camera, set it up, and then every hour I'll update the progress and you guys can just see how much progress we make in a day, and then I can kind of log my every single day, and I don't know how well that's going to be able to keep going. It shouldn't be too bad if it's only like 1 minute every hour, so.
Sounds great.
Yeah, we'll work on that. But anyways, we got lots of Jack in the Boxes to finish up. I also have to make turn some of this holly into the pieces that go. So that's what I'm going to be working on, making more of those, because Josh has these that he's working on assembling. So we'll set up the camera and I'll see you in an hour. Okay, so we're at the end of our first hour, and unfortunately I've only gotten this far on those white holly pieces because I was mostly just making this piece for the table saw sled. We had to use this piece on our front porch. So I just made this new piece out of steel. I went to Lowe's last night, picked up this thing for like 16 bucks, which is outrageous and crazy. But anyway, so I milled that off, put it in here, and used this countersunk bit, and we broke that. I broke it, but it was Josh's fault. He's supposed to be the metal expert, and he told me to run this thing at 250 RPM. Are you kidding me?
Did you look it up? It was the exact...
No, it was 250,000 RPM. Okay, so we missed an hour in between there. I had to unload the card on the computer, and it took me like an hour to load the stuff on the computer for whatever reason. So we missed an hour there, but I made all the weight pieces and Josh finished off this first one. You have to be very careful when you're fitting in these white holly pieces because you don't want it to have a seam in there because you will see it. So anyways, that's what he's doing now with this one. And I have all of these ones over here ready to go. All the white holly pieces are cut out. So that's what he's going to be doing over the next probably hour. And Josh made this jig for this sander here because we want to keep everything at a super right angle. So
Not just the right angle.
no, it's got to be a super one. So anyway, so he made sure that this is reading 90 degrees to here, and we're also making sure that this right here is 90 degrees. And at first we were thinking that we wanted to relieve it so that it was all tight at the top, all these seams here, and then kind of looser at the bottom. But over time we realized that that's just not consistent. So, all right, so anyway, let's go. I don't know. You've got the camera. You're the cameraman. I'm doing something. I can't show you.
Oh no.
I'm operating on this box.
Yeah, it does need some work.
I wouldn't say it needs work, but it'd be better. How about you? What have you been doing?
Well, I just got all those pieces finished. Wow, there's a lot over here.
Do what?
I said, am I recording? But yes.
Are
I am.
you?
Yes, yes.
You better be.
Why is it so close?
Oh,
Everything
you
seems...
can move this.
Oh, that's the zoom. Oh.
Josh is an expert cameraman. In case
Yes,
you were- I'm sanding down this peg, as you can see. An extremely technical and skilled operation.
Not too many people know how to do that.
No, it's pretty advanced, but
We can't show you this.
no, we can't. We definitely cannot show this. So I hope the camera is. So I was saying it would be his modus or magnet no
Magnet opera.
magnet operation
Yes,
operandi, but it's also the modus magnet opus. We have all these set to go. They just need this one part glued in, right, and then sanded, right? Probably I'll start kind of like sanding those, and then Josh has just a few more of these things to finish up. And the time right now is 3:30. What? Oh, it's 3:39. How could you be so far off, Josh?
You didn't tell me it was 3:32. You told me it was like 3:20.
So I'm going to set up this camera, and then we're just going to roll, and we're going to finish off these boxes before 5 o'clock.